You will never throw away banana peels after reading this. Banana is a very popular fruit loaded with lots of nutrients such as vitamins, proteins, fibers, manganese, and also magnesium, etc. These nutrients are very essential in the growth and well-being of the human body. Bananas are virtually everywhere in the market and farms, and very cheap to purchase in some areas. Bananas are very delicious when eaten ripe, but can be used in the production of ice cream, fruit salad, and also augment cereal. However, this article was formulated in order to discuss more about the importance of banana peels, which is generally thrown away as trash. Banana peels are very edible, and comes with a lot of loaded health benefits. These peels are used to effectively improve food digestion, reduce cholesterol level, and also solve skin problems. Banana peels can be eaten and also applied topically for more benefits. At the end of this article, you will be finding it very difficult to dispose the banana peels after reading about all its benefits. 1. Stop itching. Have you ever experienced bug bites before, without having any natural remedy to relieve you from the pains? Well, banana peels are the best when it comes to natural products that relieves itching from bug bites. You only need to massage the affected area with the banana peel for immediate result. This can also be implemented on rashes caused as a result of poison oak or poison ivy. There are not enough research proofs to back up most of these claims, but sure they work effectively. 2. Staying regular. Have you ever experienced the discomfort that comes with skipping a day bowel movement? Well, this is not a common occurrence, but one of the best methods of staying regular is by consuming enough fiber. The banana peel comes with a lot of fibers, which can help you in such situation. The fiber content in the banana peel is much more than what is gotten from the banana fruit. An easy way to remain regular is by consuming the banana peel with fruit or summing it up with smoothie. 3. Teeth whitening. There are so many artificial ways of whitening the teeth using different harsh chemical products. Some of these products make use of bleaching agent for effectiveness, which can be very harmful to the enamel. This can result to weakening of the teeth, and can also cause sensitivity. However, banana peel is a natural remedy that can be used to achieve the same result without any harmful effect on the enamel. This is because banana peel contains potassium, which is an effective teeth whitening agent. You necessarily don't need to chew the peel, you just have to scrub the inside on your teeth every day for 2 weeks. 4. Improve the skin quality. Another additional benefits of banana peels is the presence of antioxidants present in it. These antioxidants are very effective when it comes to skin care. To reduce the amount of wrinkles present on your skin, you can implement the use of banana peels by rubbing the peels on the affected area, and also leaving the sticky part of it there for about 30 minutes before rinsing your face. For more benefits and general skin moisturizing, kindly mash the peel, and add it to a paste, include an egg yolk and gently spread the composition all over your face evenly. Leave it for about 5 minutes a day and wash it off. Repeat the process for a week and be rest assured you will getting good results. 5. Getting a better sleep. Banana peels contains a good amount of tryptophan and serotonin. Tryptophan is an effective chemical compound that supports the quality of sleep. On the other hand, serotonin is an effective chemical known for improving relaxation. Therefore, this makes eating a banana peel before going to bed help you get a perfect and pleasant night's sleep. The serotonin present in banana peels can also help you maintain a good mood all through the day.